Hi guys, and welcome to the Android Tutorial YouTube channel. Today I want to show you guys the Roku Express, and basically it's a small device in which I can plug into the TV and make it smart. So I bought this in Latin America, so much of the information comes in Spanish, but nonetheless there's useful information here which I can use. It says first of all in the box that it supports Netflix, it supports Crackle, GoPro, Google Play Movies, Vimeo, UFC, Spotify, Red Bull TV, and lots more. And also it says that it has more than 10,000 movies and videos to stream. Basically it says that you need an HDMI and a Wi-Fi connection, obviously a TV. And here it says that it's very simple, that you could stream up to 1080p, that you're able to use the remote control that's included here, or the application, and that there are more than 2,500 channels. That's basically it. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so there's like two parts here. First part, okay, and the second part. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna move this aside and check the instruction manual. So I'm gonna do a separate video on how to install it and how it works. And let's see, so this is in order to apply a sticker above it or below it. And first of all, here it's a HDMI cable, pretty standard. And here is a charging cable. It's USB A and micro USB. Okay, so basically that's it. And here, first of all, we got the device. Okay, so here's the sticker that I was telling you before. And you basically, here it says to point the sticker and place it here, so it'd be like straight into the surface, like something like this. Okay, so first of all, let's take this away. Okay, or this might be the infrared. Okay, so this is the remote control. It has a back, it has a home, has a previous channel, up, down, left, right. Okay, Netflix, Blim, Spotify, and Google Play movies as fast access keys. Okay, here first of all in the back we got an HDMI cable, we got the port for the charger, and a reset cable or a reset button. And here I got a charger, pretty regular, and two AAA batteries for the remote control. That's basically it, everything that comes in the box. Okay, so this has been a really quick unboxing about the Roku Express. As I said before, I'm gonna do other videos on how to install it, how the interface looks, how it works, if it has compatibility with something else, if it has Google Assistant included, as I heard that Roku was gonna include Google Assistant, and so on. And if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel, as that helps us a lot. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.